Welcome to the technologycloset.com and our quick shot. In this quick shot, we're going to show you how to use an enhanced version of the cleanup tool that applies to both Windows 7 and Windows 8. Now, in a previous video, we showed you how to get the cleanup tool. We go to our desktop. On the picture icon of the computer, double-click. It lists our hard drive. Right mouse click on the hard drive, select Properties, and in the middle of the box you'll see Disk Cleanup. If you click on it, this brings up the Disk Cleanup box, and we can make some checkmark selections here to remove some files to help give us more disk space. Well, there's also a command line version of this same utility. Let's do that. We'll close down these boxes. What we need to do now is we need to open up the command line. Hold your Windows key down and hit the X key. From here, we're going to select the command prompt Administrator. Click on the Yes for the user account control. And as you can see now, we have the command prompt. Here's where we enter the commands. Now, I have these commands in our website at technologycloset.com. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to show you what the actual command does when you plug it in. Now, in this case, I'm going to copy just the clean manager, and I'm going to paste it into the command, and I'm going to hit the Enter key. Now, this box has to stay open while we're doing this. Now, as you can see, it's calling up the Disk Cleanup, which is the same box that we saw just a moment ago. And as you can see, we still have the same number of selections here. Now, we're going to close this down, and now we're going to add an actual switch to that. This is the switch that gives us the enhanced settings. We'll copy that, and we'll paste it in its place. The switch and the number is explained in the web posting. Hit the Enter key. Now again, it brings up a Disk Cleanup settings box. But now if you look as I scroll down, you'll see we have a lot more selections here. Many of them we have to be very careful about, but many of them take up space that we can get rid of and clear up our hard drive. Why would we do this? We might want to call this up if we have a premium for space on our computer hard drive, in the particular case of a solid state hard drive or SSD drive, which doesn't have very much space to begin with. Finally, what I want to show you is what are the other switches that are available for the Clean Manager. To do that, I'll just simply, in the command box, hit the F3 key, and we'll just back that out until we have the slash, and then I'll put a question mark. Hit the Enter key. That opens up a usage box with all of the appropriate switches that are associated with the Clean Manager. At this point in time, we're not ready to cover these others as yet, but we will in a future video. Well, that's it for this quick shot. Please visit our website at thetechnologycloset.com, and while you're there, check our YouTube channel. Until next time.